So today we're working on sanding this edge out. It's pretty jagged, especially whenever you look up here. A lot of epoxy and the edge just isn't quite where it's supposed to be. And then while I'm doing that, Dad's gonna start working on a mount for the fuel tank, which we're gonna be putting down here in this bay. This is actually going pretty well.
Good. Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah. So I don't think I'm gonna take it off too much.
Yeah.
But just enough to get that kind of shape that we were talking about, where it's slightly curved out.
Then we can fill this in with wood flour epoxy.
Whenever we do the side deck, we'll put wood flour epoxy in here, and it'll kind of fill in a little bit of that gap. I might do one more pass.
And now for something completely different.
I saw a jellyfish.
We had the great fortune to attend the Port Townsend Wooden Boat Festival. My friend Phil came up with his brother and hung out with us for the whole day, exploring all the wooden boats and imagining what it would be like to take each boat out on the water. There were some magnificent boats. There were even a few Devlin boats at the show, but I don't think I ended up with any footage.
Her shape underwater.
Although it meant a day not working on our boat, it was wonderful. Could probably live in this boat, maybe. It'd be nice. Who's calling time? Yeah. Apparently no one's calling time.
Did you go in? Kind of feels weird.
And what's the ladder? You use the ladder?
To see kind of. Always ask for permission to come aboard.
Yeah, but once they,
formality.
and it's kind of like that. They'll tell you. People will tell you.
Warm. Yeah. batteries? That's a lot.
Yeah, batteries.
Imagine putting that in your car.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, to be a Tesla. What motors we got here? They look
Yeah, it could.
Dude, broke.
Hey, hold on.
Alright, go ahead.
It's just a test camera.
Where is the bathroom?
So the removes the oxygen.
Oh,
Yes.
Said by the time I finish this boat, steamboats will be extinct.
yeah, they don't make it anymore. How does this thing work when it burns?
Well, tell me what you see and we'll go from there. What do you see?
See, this thing burns, but
How do you think they're moving?
fire.
Are there any explosions happening there like a combustion engine? No. Because all the combustion's happening over here.
I